Yes, so guys, welcome to the tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a simple R&B type beat. Simple R&B type beat, emotional. R&B is emotional genre music. So let's go and see what I prepared for today. My name is Joe Fox at Easy. Okay, I just play my things here, 11 things in this beat. So I hope guys you will enjoy the tutorial. So the first thing I play here, it is a chord progression from Infinite Piano. I just Infinite Piano here. Yeah. After that, I just add this one orchestra. Add the vibe to that piano. Yeah. And there is some yeah, I like the sound. After that, I play a load. This loads from Citrus. I just arpeggiate it. Yeah. I just followed my chord progression in this. For that, I add this one nylon from Flex. I just played simple. For that, I just add this one Nexus octave E piano, E guitar. E guitar is an octave electric guitar. For that, I just play my shaker. I just play like hi-hat. After that, I play snap. After that, I play my kick. Yeah, I play my kick. Here, I just add this one electric from Citrus. This melody, I just like it how it sounds. So let's finish with my bass. Whoa. Let's play Ibanez bass from Muffin. I've talked much about this. Here, combining my drum. Here, how it sounds. yeah, this is my vibe of my drum partner. Just play few things in my drum because I don't want to be disturbing, go crazy in my things. So just see few things, but I like the sound. So let's go and change the color. Here the name of the color, then put this and this thing. For that, let's in here. Let's add what is the main base and this also. Let's add the block of melody. Added it and this. Added it, yeah. This is my thing. So for that, let's hear from the scratch.
Fox Beat.
Yeah, this is my tutorial for today. So guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also share, comment, like, Yeah, so thank you for watching. Welcome, and don't forget, I'll be in. So stay connected with me to enjoy.